Hello guys, what's up? So today I got a new update in Instagram, the most awaited music feature, which was only for US and UK before. Before I was using this with VPN, but now Instagram started to roll this feature. So as you can see, when I go to my story, uh, on the bottom you can see music. I think this is because I am a beta tester for Instagram Android app. Let's go to my Apple. I'll give you an example. Uh, okay. Sorry, like normal. Okay, see, this is my tablet. In tablet, when I go to stories, here I can't see this music option because in my Apple I don't have any beta tester activated. So to get this feature activated, this music feature activated in your Instagram, you need to go to Play Store in your Android device and search for Instagram. Yeah, you can see I'm a beta tester for this app. If you are not a beta tester, then just scroll down and here you can see one option to join beta tester. Here I can see leave. In this place you will have option to join. So that's all guys. If you join beta tester, so chances are there you'll get the music feature in Instagram earlier. So if you like this video guys, thanks for watching.